What are you doing?
Are you chewing your banana? Is that your chocolate syrup with your banana?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
What are you eating?
what is it? What is it?
Googly. Googly.
Uh-oh.
The name pills.
Yeah, the banana?
2 names.
Yeah, 2 of them right there. Cool. Good job. Mmm. Delicious.
Go get it.
Delicious. You know, if you want to try this fork instead, this might be a better fork to use.
Daddy, go buy it.
What do you think? A better fork to use?
Daddy,
Here you go.
Daddy knife.
And a Kevin knife? Sure, I'll get Kevin a knife. Here you go.
The cup.
Oh, oops. I think Mama has a mess to clean up.
You're making a mess.
Baby, make a mess. Here's a blue knife.
Who's making a mess?
Oh, you want to use the knife? There you go. Sure.
Who's making a big mess?
You cut this.
You cut it, yeah. There you go. Oh, are you cutting it? But it's so slippery.
Cut.
Here, why don't we hold the fork and then the knife? There you go. You can be like Daddy. Daddy. There you go.
Nom
Daddy
nom
uses
nom nom
his
nom
fork
nom
and
nom
his-
nom nom.
Mm,
Are you making a mess?
What about, do you want your almond butter and a pretzel?
Sure.
Sure. There you go.
Potato.
There you go. Are